Dual monitor adapter. USB A3. 0. 5 gigabits per second to HDMI VGA external video adapter converter adds up to 2 additional displays. Supports HDMI 4K 30Hz, 3840 by 2160, with 2 chains audio VGA 1080p, 1920 by 1080, 60 Hz. Convenient. External graphics card delivers easy universal way to connect a single display, projector or HDTV, or add additional monitors to nearly any desktop, laptop with a USB 3.0 USB Type-A port. Host compatibility. Expand your existing workspace productivity with a multiple screen workstation at home or in the office. Works with USB-A computers incl Lenovo, Dell, HP, Microsoft Surface MacBook. Driver OS. Powered by Silicon Motion, the adapter enables simultaneous use with USB video, graphics devices powered by DisplayLink, MCT, Fresco. Win the 8th of July 10. Auto driver install with Win 10, macOS 10. 13 up. Increase productivity. Mirror. Extend content on 2 additional monitors simultaneously with the 2-in-1 multiport adapter with HDMI VGA. Portable design is ideal for use at your workstation or on the go. Top reviews from the United States. 2015 MacBook Air. Works great for second monitor. Always wanted my older MacBook Air to support a second monitor via USB. Cheaper VGA adapters didn't work well and flickered. Worth the money if you need a second monitor adapter via USB. Drive was easy to install and works as plug and play. Great product.